All right, so this is gonna be my first video on my way to go pick up my daughter. I just thought I'd record this video real quick to kind of talk about my trading futures journal. Yeah, so basically, you know, this is gonna be the first video of many to come. So if you don't know what futures trading is, basically it is a market where you can trade just like you would the stock market, right? There's candlestick patterns and things like that. You could become a day trader, and there are contracts back and forth between buying and selling. Now I don't want to go too deep into what it is, but basically I've been doing it since like May 5th or something like that. And it's been a tough road, man, because most of the influencers and gurus and things like that on YouTube and Instagram and X, they all talk about how much money you can make. You know, they're making 1,000, 5,000, 100,000 per day trading futures. Those guys have been doing that stuff for like years, and you're not going to make that much in the very beginning. In fact, you're probably going to take a lot of losses. And kind of give you an idea of what I'm going through right now, I haven't gotten a payout yet from any prop firm. And if you don't know what a prop firm is, basically it's like this new thing that has come up in the last few years where you can pay like $100 and then you get access to $25,000 in an account so you can trade on the futures market. And that's like how regular people like me, retail traders, come in and can trade and try to make the commissions. And the prop firms, they take a little bit, they take like a 10% split on it. But the prop firms, where they make most of their money, is going to be people failing what's called the evals on the prop firms, because they make you go through like a challenge / eval where you have to make a certain profit before you get transitioned into a what they call a funded account, to where you can start making commissions. But you know, that's for other videos. This is just my first video, and I just want to kind of give a quick timeline of my experience. And it's tough, man. It's tough. Like, you know, I don't have a lot of money to start with, and I've probably spent maybe $700 to $800, maybe $500 on prop firms so far, because I keep blowing them. I would say the last week or so I've been doing really, really well. Haven't gotten to the funded stage yet, but I have been making profits. I've been making pretty good profits, and I'm almost to the funded stages on one of them now. I have 3 accounts, different prop firms. And I haven't blown them in like a week. I haven't breached them, which is a good thing. I've gotten really good with my risk management. I would say like that's the most important thing, is not learning how to do the actual technical trading, but the risk management, because it's very easy to start revenge trading. You know, you take a loss and you think the opportunity to go and make the money back and even more, so you start revenge trading. Next thing you know, you're going to lose it all. You know, and then you're going to blow the account. Then you're going to feel down. Then you're going to rebuy the account or reset it, whatever, and then get back into trading, try to make the money back. Well, you can't do that. You have to have very set and clear rules on your trading, and that's how these guys are successful, right? You know, they're not winning money every single day. Some days they lose money. That's considered a red day. But the next day, they make all that money back and some. Or you might even have a losing week, where every week or every day of that week you're losing money, but you can't sweat it, because the following week you might make it all back and some. So like that's the thing with trading, and that's kind of what I'm learning now, and I'm getting better at it. Even my wife, I got her on the trading, and there's real opportunity to make money here, like real opportunity. So kind of want to end this video with my trades today, Monday, July 13th, 2026. It was a red day. I didn't make any money, took losses. I did 1 trade per each account, and I lost on all 3 of them. 2 of the accounts I'm actually in the negative. 1 of the accounts was a 50K account. I'm actually in the positive still, because I had a little bit of buffer. But overall, it's not too bad. I'm still. Sorry, I'm picking up my daughter from summer camp. I'm still going to keep trading every day. My goal is to get to funded by the end of the week and not to blow any accounts. So we will see how that goes, and I will keep documenting every day.